Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to you all. I'm Maliha Niaz, your SST teacher, and today we are going to start lesson number 13. In this lesson, we will revise unit number 1, Islamabad. At the end of lesson, you all will be able to discuss location of Islamabad and enlist important landmarks of capital city. Let's start our revision. Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. It is located in the Pothohar Plateau in the northwest of the country. The area has historically been a part of the crossroads of the Rawalpindi and Northwest Frontier Province. Islamabad is home of the top-ranked university in Pakistan. It has largest mosque in South Asia and more than 1 million people live in Islamabad. Let's talk about its important landmarks. First is Faisal Mosque. Faisal Mosque built in 1966. It has a capacity to accommodate approximately 3 lakh worshippers. It is shaped like the tents of Arab nomads. Now let's talk about Shikarpur Hills. Shikarpur, located on the highest of hill in capital of Pakistan, stands on top of the hill with a bird's eye view of Islamabad. The view from the Shikarpur Hills is beautiful. Many plants planted by heads of foreign states. Now let's talk about Damneko. Damneko is hilltop garden. It is located in the middle of the Magla Hills. It is a lookout point which provides beautiful views of Islamabad. Now, let's talk about Islamabad Zoo. It is home to animals from all over the world. Islamabad Zoo is located at the foot of the Margla Hills. Students, this is our end of lesson. I hope you recall previous lesson also. Now it's home task time. You have to write down facts about any two landmarks of Islamabad. In case of any problem, you may ask for me. Take care and Allah Hafiz.